Test? Come on now. Alrighty. Damn it, guys. Let me see. Hello? Alright, there it is. Are we live? Everything looks frozen here. What's going on? Oh, okay, perfect. We are live. Just trying to fix my audio really quick. Wait, I saw this violent spike pre-market on AMC. I'm like, wait a minute, some news came out because this isn't really typical for a pre-market on any stock in general, and the volatility was kind of nuts. You can see the volume spike here, and I take a look at the right-hand side on the tab. AMC says total global box office for Fast and the Furious 9, the Fast Saga, over 400 mil. That came out 3 times here. Opened at SMS 70 mil in sales during its first weekend in the US. Have you guys seen this movie? I haven't even gone myself. On Friday, I'm excited to go to AMC because there's the Purge. I always like the series they have going on. Usually it's always the same plot with the movie. It's just different characters. So this should be a good catalyst today. If AMC isn't green today, I'm gonna be a little bit disappointed. But we're up nearly 2% today. GameStop is actually doing pretty well as well. 214 so far. The Purge is great. Yeah, I like that. I like it. Let's see what's trending. Any other news as of today? The typical, oh yeah, guys, Virgin Galactic, SPCE is doing really, really well. It's almost nearly at the 52-week high, I believe, of 60. Oh, some people taking profits here at 55, back down to Friday's market close level. We had 61. So here on the daily, we had 62 last time. But look at the daily gap up. Ever since we had that successful flight, it's been nonstop short squeeze. Morning, Rick. Let's pull up Twitter really quick. Perfect. You didn't get the notification? YouTube never does. Unless you slap a like on the video. Maybe it'll notify people. Let's see. Aaron just tweeted 6 minutes ago. He said, "What a weekend for the big screen." Uh, basically the record with the Fast and Furious 9. Thursday through Sunday in the US, and 2.5 million people did so at their theaters globally. Both record numbers since reopening our theaters. Obviously, people want to go out, man. And it's a good movie too. I haven't seen it, but can never go wrong with Fast and the Furious. And every time I drive by the AMC, guys, I'm telling you, people are there. That's why I always disagreed with the people who would say that theaters are gone, and no, I don't think so. Viacom moving as well. I thought Viacom was moving on Friday. 45? It's just above EMA. It's so close to being above EMA too. It's been so long for the stock too. Look how long it's taken ever since they got busted by Bill Wayne. We were what, early April? We're always looking for a $67 mark, $67 push on AMC. We're kind of still at 55, but trading sideways and finding support and consolidation is not the worst case scenario, guys. GameStop 218. Give us 230 today, GameStop. We definitely have resistance right around 225 for GameStop. Every time we hit that level, it immediately starts coming back down. I have my second vaccine tomorrow, so if I don't show up on Wednesday, yeah, the notification takes a little bit of time. There's a large explosion and fire at a castle station in London. No worries or injuries. AMC still right around 54.70. Today should be a little bit more of an added volume type of day, increased type of volume. This is definitely great news. How are these other stocks we were watching on Friday? Torchlight was one of them. Wait, what's going on with this? What's up with this stock? Is it just me or is it not? Wait, what? Did it get halted or what? What's going on with this stock? Why is it frozen or what? Stock split? Or is it just my think or swim being think or swim again? Like it does with Nasdaq futures, which futures are completely ripping. Tech should be pushing. Look at Apple with the new high. Facebook, how about Clover, Wendy's? That's interesting. I've never seen that on Think or Swim. What's going on, Joshua? Yeah, Tesla had to recall a lot of vehicles. I think 200K vehicles, but the thing is, they can just software update these cars. How many vehicles was it? 300K almost. GameStop with the new high. Oh, it's a new stock ticker. MMAT. It's not even doing great as well. I was wondering what. I've never seen that. I didn't even hear about this. Hmm. Well, that's gonna confuse a lot of people too, like myself that I didn't even know about this. So there goes that volume. AMC kind of at 55 still. I like it. I like it. We should see a spike here. AMC uptrend yet. I think it's too early to call an uptrend. Usually AMC always falls at market open and then it starts to rebound. So if there's going to be a rebound as of now, I'm looking for like a 50, 56 rebound, but we need that strength, man. I know last week we were seeing some pressure right around the low 60s. That $60 mark is so psychological. CCXI is doing a direct decision on July 7. Yeah, CCXI, it's a little risky, man. It came from like $60 all the way to like $8. Look at that drop. This reminds me of ONTX, 735. Sorry to hear that, Yap. Welcome back. What a champ. So the 10-year treasury yields are dropping, eh? Let's see. 10-year. It's at 1.49. Let's see what's trending on Twitter. AMC is trending. The Doge Father is trending. The Doge Father. Oh, it's his birthday, I think. It's Elon's birthday, I believe. Subaru is trending. Al Gore, Toyota. Yeah, Toyota got into some hot waters yesterday. You guys hear what happened? I don't want to go into it, but if you know, you know. Honda's also trending. 55 is still for AMC. Like I said, if there's going to be a push, I'm looking for 56. So we just need that volume. That strength, baby. It's his birthday, right? Let's keep a lookout for SPCE as well. It seems to me like people are taking profits. I mean, I would too, man. If I bought Friday and I see that it's above still a continuation, even on Friday pre-market, we were looking at 39.99, almost 40. And closing early like at 56. And for it to still be up pre-market, I would take some profits too. So this one's still going to be on a watch. Let's set alerts on this one. 55.35. There we go. Let's pull up Ortex, the Ortex numbers really quick. Possible to see 62 this week for AMC. What are your opinion? Last week I mentioned I have this little pennant going on here. Let's go to the daily. Let me log in really quick. Uh, no, this is the weekly. So this pennant, damn it, damn, this one, not the horizontal lines, but these pennants here. This trend line down and this trend line up. So I just think it'll make a move. I'm not putting dates on AMC thinking, hey, it's gonna move this day it's gonna go to this price. Just solely off technicals, in my opinion, I think it's due for a move, man. I don't think it'll trade sideways for too long. It's still above EMA though. It's still above this blue line. On the daily, anything above the blue line, it's amazing strength. And ever since, what is this, like May 24th, AMC, actually no, before that. Like early May, AMC has been just riding above the EMA. I would only start to worry slightly on AMC if it came down to like 45 again. If it came down under this blue line, volume kind of dried up a bit, then I would start to be like a little bit more cautious. But as of now, I don't think there's anything to worry about. The volume is low on what AMC? It is compared to the spikes we've had at like 70. But I mean, this looks exactly what happened here back in January. Ramped up, pulled back, just traded sideways for a long time, low volume, and the volume just came rushing back in. There is 55.72. We're looking for that 56 push. We're almost getting that. There it is, 56 push. The market makers are on our side today. 56.16. We need to start headed back to 59 today. We should test 60. Come on. It's possible. We have a massive bullish catalyst today. What is this? Oh, unusual options activity, September 17 on 145 calls. Hmm. Volume does come with FOMO too. Euphoria. I mean, the day it hit like 70, it was just running like crazy. Every little dip it had, it was just getting ate up, and it just kept on moving, and FOMO and people piling up on each other trying to chase the top, and it was just crazy. But we haven't seen that too much on AMC yet. Will we see that again? There's a high chance we will. There's possibly, yeah. 56.45. Let's try to break past this pre-market high. New high, baby. 56.68. Now the thing here with GameStop is it needs to hold. Usually GameStop does this really nice market open rally, but then it gives up the gains. It pulls back and it trades sideways, and it's just like another day of trading sideways. But let's try to hold. Did you see the margin requirements were raised for GameStop and AMC by Vanguard? I did not, but I wouldn't doubt it. I think for TD Ameritrade they also raised it as well. 57. Look at that daily though. It's still in game, guys. This is still in play. I think this box office numbers catalyst is definitely what could send us to 60 today. If we have that strength, man, 60 today would be nuts. There's GameStop again, holding 217. Elon's 50th birthday is 69 days after 420. 57.24, 25, 26. Tesla stock is going up because it's his birthday. That's why. Charles Schwab. All right, let me see. I think I just got an email saying if I'm going to need the vaccine for school. Are you kidding me? Mandatory mask wearing. All right. Are you kidding me? Although the vaccination is not required to return to campus, students are encouraged to get the vaccine. What? Man, they just baited me hard. First they were saying yes, and now you don't need the vaccine. Well, too late now. 57.54. GameStop with the new high. Come on. Triple twos, baby. Morning, Keith. What this place is this back to Thursday's level at market open. New high for GameStop. Yeah, at least I'll win the new freaking $1 million lottery, vaccination lottery here in Cali. So crazy. What's going on, Rob? I like how GameStop's holding here. Let's not jinx it. I mean, what did it do Friday? Oh yeah, we had that end of close rebalancing going on. 57, 54. We're up 6% on AMC. No, we don't have Powell this week, thankfully. SPY pulled back. What did Nasdaq do? Nasdaq continuing the momentum. The Dow's pulling back. So tech is winning today. Look at Apple go, man. Makes me want to short Apple. 134. Nah, not yet. I'd probably get squeezed. The Fed coin, yeah, I heard about that like a month ago. Apple, Facebook. When does Apple unveil their new iPhone? Do you guys know? Like what? September? Mid-September? AMC nearing 58. Wow. I think people are like piling back in on AMC yesterday. The iPhone, what, 13, right? 13? XPO Logistics shares down 5% after offering. Whoops. Look at AMC on the 5 minute. The 5 minute EMA is at 55.70 and the stock is at 57, nearly 58. That's crazy. What's Bitcoin now? Let's see Bitcoin. I don't even want to think about Bitcoin. Screw blockchain. You guys, if you guys have blockchain, run away as fast as you can. People on there are getting hacked. 34K for Bitcoin. Not too bad. I am an Apple user. I'd never see myself using an Android. There's that little retracement. Healthy pullback, guys. Healthy pullback. This can pull back to like $56, and we're still in good territory. 57 pullback. If you can hold 57, that's amazing. Let's see how SPCE is doing. What was that other stock, guys, on Friday? It wasn't Torchlight. There was another one. ALF? No, was it? Oh, it is ALF. Oh, wow. This hit a new high. Market open 22. This is still in play too. Another Wall Street Bets short squeeze stock. Damn. And I got bored of this stock, man, on Friday. It did nothing. Look at this. It traded sideways for like 3 hours just of trading, nowhere to go. And then it just started dumping. I thought, man, people are going to take profits. And look at it pre-market and market open. Damn, this is crazy. This set alerts. Set some alerts. I like the volume on this one as well. EMA retracement on AMC. Elon Musk has just turned 50 years old. To celebrate his life, there are just a few of his many achievements. Co-founded PayPal, changed space travel with SpaceX, created the EV market with Tesla, went on Saturday Night Live dressed as Wario, pump Dogecoin and come rocket to the moon. Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, gets banned from operating in the UK by the country's market regulator. Hmm, that's not good news. There's that EMA bounce on AMC. GameStop holding a little stronger than I thought at these highs. Triple twos. I mean, on Thursday, look, we hit what 227 and we closed right on 211. 57.20, nice. AMC Entertainment reports biggest weekend attendance since March of 2020. 2 million people watch movies at AMC's US locations between June 24 and June 27. Fast and Furious 9 took an estimated 70 million from its opening weekend in the US, which AMC said is biggest opening weekend for any movie in the US since the late 2019. I think 2019 they had 5 million people. I need to look that up. Don't quote me on that, but I think they had 5 million people in 2019. That's a start though. Let's see, AMC 2019, 5 million. Where did I see that at? They're still searching for people at the Miami building, which they were. I'm pretty sure you guys read about that. There's an engineer who warned that this might have happened too. That sucks. That's sad. Told 9 people and 152 people accounted for. There's probably still people there alive. That's the crazy part. Oh, Artex just tweeted a minute ago. AMC short interest update. AMC's up 6%, right around there. After 15 minutes of trading, intraday data shows short interest up 1.1% today. And the short interest is around 18.94%, which I believe on Friday it was 18% flat. So right around 1% increase. Pulling back still. Is that going to pull back to 5-minute EMA? 5-minute EMA is at 55.70 still. Hmm. For ALF. Oh, this one's pulling back. I'm going to wait for it to drop. AMC pulling back as well. GameStop looking to pull back as well. How was BlackBerry? Forgot about good old BlackBerry. Also pulling back. Similar to AMC. I think BlackBerry follows AMC the closest versus like GameStop. It's pretty interesting. 56.50 still. This is still a pretty decent level to bounce from. 50, 56. I mean, this stock was at what, 51 on Friday? Something like that? No, 53. 51 on Tuesday. So not too bad. S&P 500 hits new record high. Yeah, we had hit it 427.77. I mean, it pulled back, but the fact that it's still making consecutive highs, that's nuts. I mean, why wouldn't it? The Fed is still going to keep on buying, baby. The printer is not broken. GameStop, 224. Give us a new high. Give us a day where you just rally, GameStop. Don't pull back. Don't pull back. I want to see 230s, mid 230s for GameStop today. I know the volume is a challenge, like always, but I still believe. Another one stops covering GameStop. It's probably too unpredictable for them, whoever they are. Baird. We're seeing, is there a wall here on GameStop at 224 or what? Where are you at? Hmm. AMC, we still need to find some support. Can we shoot up to 57.40? We need a spike to like up here, guys. Up to right there. 57.40. That's the spike we're looking for right now. In India, investments of Bitcoin and crypto grew from about 200 million to nearly 40 billion in the past year, according to chain analysis. There's GameStop. Come on. I know. Let's take a look at the volume. Let's pull up Yahoo. Yahoo Finance. Give us a new high, GameStop. I don't see any walls here, guys. Hmm. AMC. 20 million volume on AMC. First around 30 minutes or so, not too bad. GameStop, 1.5 mil. Tesla, 4 million. Just to put that into perspective, AMC has already traded 5 times what Tesla has traded in volume. GameStop had like this quadruple top here at 24.45. AMC is still trying to find support. My alert just got triggered on Virgin Galactic. It's pulling back 53.50. This was doing so well pre-markets. I mean, I think people just are taking profits on this. It's not even too bad. This is midday Friday level right here. But when you start looking at it on the 4 hour, it starts to look a little overextended. I mean, look at this. This can pull possibly back to 50, maybe. I guess I could say the lowest it could go, 50. That psychological half number 50 before it starts to find support. Although it did have some decent support on Friday, right around 53. Hmm. Goldman Sachs just price target from Virgin Galactic 220 from 18. Bernstein 231 from 27. What's going on, Phoenix? Sorry, I'm late to the party. Let's set another alert on the downside, right around 52.70. I think that's pretty decent. Just to keep an eye on this. What are we doing, AMC? What are we doing, AMC? 56.66 is still trying to find support, guys. Just let this bad boy unfold. There we go. $19 for what? Larry, I have activated Windows. I just don't know why it doesn't go away. This sticker here is still here. This is why I don't like Windows. Apple all day, baby. This I don't have to worry about no activate Windows on this. And I didn't even buy the little activation key. Robert did. He bought it and I think he paid like 200 something bucks for it. And it's still here. There you go, 57. It's holding higher than I thought. That's amazing. All right, here we go. Next leg up, next push up. Let's go, AMC. Come on. Don't give us lower highs, man. Tesla is still holding 685. But you pay 1,500 just for the OS. Did you see Trey on Fox the other day? I thought he gave a very good account for himself. Sounded professional when he was talking to Charles Payne. I think at least I think I saw one of them, but that was a great interview. I like that one. I think I saw the CNBC one and the Fox one. The CNBC one they try to bait him, but the Fox one I liked it. Obviously, because Charles Payne he's on the retail side. Can't trust these other guys. Like I think his name was Andrew on CNBC, but he answered some very good questions. I think the CNBC one was when he said it was worth 25 bucks, in which it's true. They try to spin it. It wasn't that one, the Portnoy one and the Charles Payne. I watched that clip like 10 times over and over. I want you to be on CNBC with Kramer. That would be like the ultimate simulation. No, I'd never do like a news press. LA Times reached out. You guys remember that? LA Times emailed us like March and they want to do like an interview and I just said no. I'd do a boxing match though. I'd box somebody. Come on, AMC. This is what I'm talking about with GameStop. This is exactly what I'm talking about. Healthy pullback nonetheless. On the 5 minute, the EMA is at 217. Oh, shoot. I don't want this to go red, though. This has to stay green. Because then that's literally every single time for GameStop. It'll run up at market open, it'll pull back, close near the lows, and then it'll just do the same thing. Swing traders are having a fun time with GameStop for sure. 218. AMC still holding support here at 57, man. BlackBerry. SPCE recovering? No, it's still near the lows. Very interesting. Workhorse? Don't tell me that's another stock that's squeezing. 15 to 17. Clover, Tesla, Wish. I forgot about Wish. Damn. I can't believe Portugal lost that match yesterday. Yeah, I didn't like that match. It was too boring. They were playing too safe. They were playing too safe till like the last 20 minutes. I mean, obviously it's a knockout round, you know. His last game with Portugal, he's gonna be what? His next Euro, he'll be like 38 years old. I mean, he could still play it. I think he really takes care of himself. I mean, you guys saw when he moved the Coke bottles for water, so he really takes care of himself. But I think he'll come back. I don't think that's his last international tournament. Well, the World Cup is next year too, so he'll be back. He'll be back. 56 still, man. We're still kind of. Let's plot this really quick. Right around this little wedge here, trading sideways. I'd rather have it trade sideways here and not pull back to like 55. That's the best case scenario. Yeah, he's doing the World Cup next year for sure. Spain plays in 1 hour. Yeah, 2 hours actually. Well, depending on whatever. Wait, what time do they play? 8 or 9? Spain and Croatia at 9, and then you have Switzerland and France at 12. Tesla's going down? No. Nathan's always fooling me. 688. Another beastly day for freaking Tesla. I mean, look at this on Thursday and Wednesday. From 631 to 690. Imagine I still held my shares. I don't even know. I don't even want to calculate how much I would have been up. But it was just too crazy to hold back then, especially with the whole Elon on Twitter and rambling at Bitcoin people and it was just too much. Like that. Have you guys noticed he hasn't really been like talking too much about Bitcoin and whatnot? Oh, I'm sorry. I think you said Tesla is still going down. What's going on, Victor? Nello. It's like weird. Like I think YouTube sends out alerts like every so couple minutes because I get a lot of people coming in on the chat like at the same time. I think that's weird. Yeah, YouTube's all screwed up. Yeah, it's probably some fund that stopped coverage on GameStop. Just I think Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley, I believe, don't quote me, also suspended. It's just basically them not wanting to cover the stock because it's just. I mean, look at this. GameStop's trading at 217. AMC's trading at 56. The valuations on them. To them, it doesn't make sense. It's just like it's too volatile. It's too unpredictable. So they're just gonna stop covering it. Oh, Virgin Galactic puts. Um, Even just like if you were to take a short position on this, it's just too risky, man. With what's going on right now with the whole short squeeze and everybody trying to pump Clover, Wish, Torchlight, ALF. It's just it's a little too risky, I would say. Then you end up like these hedge funds that blew up shorting GameStop. You know, I think it's too risky. Look, Phoenix just said he lost so much money shorting space Virgin Galactic when it was at 28, when it went from 20 to 30. I'm sorry. Yeah, it's too risky. Thoughts on Lucid Motors? I have a couple shares of CCIV of Lucid Motors, but then again, it's all fairy dust until they start actual production and start delivering vehicles. Till then, it's a nothing burger, man. You guys saw what happened with Lordstown, right? With Ride, they said they were gonna need more capital. The CEO and the CFO resigned. I think there's gonna be a lot of companies, especially in the EV sector, that won't be around in like 20 to 30 years. Ride might be one of them. Tesla, for all we know, might be one of them. We don't know. You're taking that risk. I already think Warren Buffett doesn't invest in any of these tech stocks, other than like Apple, in which he actually made a lot of money on Apple. Morning, Pam. But that's the thing with Warren Buffett, that his negative weak side, I guess you can say, was that he didn't get into tech. Nicola, thank you, Nicola. You guys remember the Nicola hype, Mr. Trevor Milton? Mm. I can't wrap my head around the people who were buying Churchill CCIV when it was, and this is coming back by the way. CCIV, I believe had hit the lows of what 16. I got in at 31, but I only have a couple shares, and I still did pretty bad on this one. At 64, the valuation at 64 for a company that had nothing, no production, nothing, was nuts. Of course, people got burned on that. I'm pretty sure there's still a lot of bag holders on that. They were getting ready for market with the Lucid Air. December 2020, I think they were said they were going to go into markets in spring of this year. It's already summer. What happened with Nvidia? Um, Nvidia has been doing really, really well too. It's still moving. It's a 52 week. It's still going. I mean, imagine if you try to short this thinking it was a little overextended here at 750 and you end up at 797, you get wrecked. The split is coming up though. What is it, 4 to 1? Yeah, split's coming up on July 20. The split I'm anticipating, if it ever happens, is on Amazon. That's the one that's gonna get interesting for like day traders. That's gonna be really, really good. So what do we pull back to AMC on 56? Is this the 5-minute EMA? Yep, it is. 56. Wish is looking good. What do you think? I think yeah, Wish was going up. It's just still moving up. 1485. Mm-mm-mm. Any of these stocks like Wish, BlackBerry, um, was it Clover, ALF? I don't think I'll ever hold these overnight. Too risky, man, for overnight. But if you're trying to go for a swing trade, a momentum trade, or if you could take the risk and you want to say I want to swing trade it, then it could pay off, you know. But be careful when you see things go like this, when you see these parabolic spikes, because then they're followed by a pretty nasty downtrend pullback. In this case, it's pulling back up though. I mean, pushing back up after the what 17 spike and then pulled back to $10 the next day. See, that takes some stomach if you're gonna hold through that. But if you're going for a day trade momentum, I think these stocks are definitely the stocks for them too. The volume is there for these stocks, guys. Momentum and volume is there. Unusual Whales tweeted AMC $40 puts for August 6th of 2021. Someone's trying to hedge or something. Come on, AMC. 218. His test is still going. 89, man. Oh man. Honda is still trending. Oh, as a company, I don't understand why they do this. That's something you don't do. Because then you jeopardize your company, and then people find out, and you're on Twitter, and people don't want to buy your cars anymore. Just stay neutral. I forgot forgot about Finto. Let's see what. Let's log into Finto really quick. I'm just curious. Short interest. I forgot they had a score. What's the short interest score? Doesn't show me anymore. I swear that short volume has been stuck at 20% for so long on Finto. AMC has 1.1 million short shares available according to Finto, with the fee of 1.29%. Let's see what the fee is in Ortex. 3.96. Cost to borrow max. Cost to borrow average is 2.56. Short interest, I think, went up 1.31%. So it's increasing. Just keep that in mind. 1.31% as 45 minutes into the market open. 1.31%. Check Kramer's Twitter. Let's see. Maybe he hasn't blocked me. Jim Kramer. Oh, yeah, he's on a road trip or something. Yeah, no AMC tweets from him or GameStop tweets. AMC is pulling back. What? Why would it be pulling back? 6. Who here has been holding AMC the longest? They're just gonna hold no matter what. Kind of want to get an idea. Nasdaq is still rallying. There's no way. It's Nasdaq futures NDX. I own 732 shares of AMC. Nice. I think that's exactly how much I had. I had like 720. Coinbase gets German approval for crypto custody business. I forgot about Coinbase. Coinbase stunk. 234. You guys remember the IPO hype on this? It just flopped the same day. Oh man. Yeah, Torchlight is not TRCH anymore. I believe it's MMMT. RKT. Unusual activity for $17 calls for August 20. 17 calls. Come on, AMC. Don't go red on us. Morning, Kevin. Biden's war. I think he's talking about the fact there was like some missiles launched or something yesterday. I think that's what he means. AMC is holding 56. Not too bad. We're waiting for a rebound. We're waiting for a recovery to like 57 still. And with the volume being kind of lower compared to other crazier days, it's gonna just take longer. It'll take longer. Don't tell me. We're seeing resistance on the EMA at on the 1 minute. For like 15 minutes or so. We've just been getting pulled back here, as you guys can see here. So we're waiting for the support to come in through and then the volume to push us up above this blue line here. There we go. GameStop kind of doing the same thing. EMA rejection after we had this pullback from 221 to 218. We've been seeing some resistance. Nonetheless, we're still up almost 4% today. Oh, what lotto? There is SPCE's recovery bounces. Yeah, this is probably oversold on the EMA on the 5. So it's kind of meeting with the EMA here at the 55 level. But the fact is it going to trade sideways, continue to push up, or is it going to get rejected and pull back to like $50? I'm curious to find out. Look at that recovery. Look at that recovery. Yeah, AMC seeing resistance still. These pullbacks are getting old. Oh, crap. Morning, William. If you don't succeed, Doge and Doge again. What's Doge at? Did anybody buy the dip on Doge? Yeah, Doge was like at 12 cents, I believe. And it's at 25 cents now. Come on, AMC. GameStop looks like it's ready to rebound. AMC as well. It's there. Just push up above, baby. You bought at 17 and doubled down. Nice. There's that rip, baby. Let's go. 56.39, 41, 45. This is the exactly the push we were looking for here. So we're above EMA now. On the 5, we're still on the 5 EMA. We're riding that beautifully. If there's any movement midday, I would love to see just a recovery to 58 and just have a strong day of supports. I think support today is going to be key, guys. Support is going to be key because these last couple of days we haven't been really seeing that. We haven't seen that support. So today I think the key factor for a green day and a successful day is supports. Support, support, support. Even for GameStop too. ALF is down. I just got my alert. Ouch. So you don't want this to happen. You want to find support. GameStop also pushing up. AMC 56.72 continuing the extension of the momentum. Look at this. This is beautiful. Head and shoulders on ALF. Look at this head and shoulders pattern. Pre-market, you got the left shoulder, you got the head here at the high at 2250, and the right shoulder right around what 2050. Now it's pulling back. This looks like Bitcoin's chart on the daily. That's just wonderful. It's continuing. Look at this 56.84. Nice. Oh my gosh, Tesla. Is Nasdaq continuing the rip? Kinda. SPY. That was lagging. That was red actually. Nasdaq's the winner today. Nasdaq Tech is the winner. Marantz rants, baby. Yeah, we're gonna end it here. If you guys want to hop onto Marantz rants, he talks mostly about. You cover AMC as well, right? He's bigger on GameStop than I am, and coverage wise, because I think you just focus on GameStop, right? You're just all GameStop. I don't know if you focus on AMC. I think you have, but you're mostly GameStop. Uh, that's his username, Marantz Rants. If you guys want to go check him out, I'm gonna end the stream and right now actually. Those are the key levels of support I'm looking for GameStop 218 and then around 50, above 50, 5650. I would say support for AMC. We're looking great. We have the catalyst. It's not my birthday, Smiley. It's been a minute, Smiley. I bought a Top Shot pack yesterday, a $20 packs, complete garbage pack I got. I'm still sitting on all my top shot cards. I'm just gonna hold it for years, years and years. It's not my birthday, guys. It's Elon Musk's birthday. That's whose birthday it is. SLGG, no way. SLGG's moving. Oh no, wait, I got it confused with GMBL. I'm sorry. I got it confused with this one. But this one has very low volume too. That's the thing. If you're gonna trade this, you might get stuck for a while. It's everyone's birthday, put it that way. Sold all my Top Shot moments. Nice, 760 bucks off of 20 random moments. That's good. I haven't even learned how to sell cards yet, put it that way. So I'm just gonna sit on them. But we're gonna end it here, guys. Go check out Marantz Rants. He's live in 30 minutes. He said he's drinking his Coke still. So I'll have a video out later. I'm gonna be in the Discord. You guys know I'm gonna be in the Discord there. Any questions? You guys want to talk stocks, sports bets? We've been kind of, we got the Euro, we got the Copa America. We got a lot of things going on with the World Cup next year, Gold Cup coming up. We got basketball. There's a lot of events going on right now, so we'll be on in there on the Discord. All right, baby. Bucks and 5, baby. Peace out.